Hello, hello, hello. Everybody is able to hear? Everybody is able to hear? Is the voice and the screen okay, students? Is the voice and the screen okay, students? Sir, what happened? Good evening, good evening. Nothing happened, just having a bit bad throat pain, okay? Chalo, let's start. Are you all able to hear the sound properly, students? Okay? Yes, sir, okay. So let's see the first question. See, a lot of people, they have said correct. Two parallel wires are there. In free space, they are 10 centimeter apart. Two parallel wire, 10 centimeter apart, let's say. So that is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Now current is 10 amps. Same direction. So we know if they are in same direction, they'll attract each other. This point, if you know, if they are in same direction, they'll what they'll do? Attract. So this and this gone. Clear. So repulsive is gone. So now what is there? They'll attract. Rohan, wrong, Rohan, okay. C is not there. Two wires same direction, they'll attract. Basic simple, which I taught you while doing the moving charges and magnetism. Okay, clear? Everybody forgot. Everybody is there. Everybody, yes. Join fast. Chalo, okay. A lot of people, they have exam tomorrow, so let them study for maths. The recorded lessons will be there. Now, don't be in a hurry, buddy. Okay, a lot of people, they're writing wrong answers. So we'll understand very properly. Ritik wrote, I think so, correct answer. Let's see. Values I need to check. So tract it is, but it is the value correct? Let's see. Now, what is the formula, student? What is the formula? Come on, tell me. Mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi into the distance 2 pi d. Correct? Yes or no, students? This is the formula. So what is the value of mu naught? 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 by 2 pi. Correct. Into current 10. Distance is what? In centimeter. So convert it in meter. 10 power minus 2. I think so. What should you get? Check it. Check it. I think so. The values is wrong or something. Let me check. 2. This and this gone. If it brings up, it will be 10 power 2 here. So what I'm getting? 2 into 10 power minus 4. Correct? Correct. So what I'm getting? 2 into 10 power minus 4. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Anyone? This answer is 2 into 10 power minus 4. So whatever else you have got, that is wrong. No, it's same thing. Why a simple question, Nuda? Where is the difficulty? Simple question. Why people are getting wrong? Now everybody got it. Ritik sir. Ritik sir also said B. Nobody said sir answer is wrong. Power will be different. What happened? Students. So you should say no sir. No option was there. So the correct option of what we have got the answer is 2 into 10 power minus 4. Correct. So whenever you get any answer which is not there in the option, sometimes Grace question can be, sometimes the typing error can be, okay. So like the typing people, they're typing a lot now, so sometimes they'll do error. So in that case, it will be there, okay, sure. So whenever you have a difficulty that answers are not matching, do tell me, okay, sure. Clear, everyone? Sure. Anyone having doubts, see, do not go home after watching this lecture keeping doubts in mind. Each question, why it is this or why it is not, do ask me, okay, I'll tell it. Sure. Let's see the next question. Tell me what should be the answer. I'll just give you 2 minutes time. Take your time, but do not be in a hurry. I need correct answer, no wrong answer. Okay. Try. If it is wrong, it doesn't matter, but think on it. I want you to think. Okay? Sure. So a lot of people said V equal to 0, C option, C option, okay, C option, B option. Nishat also C option, okay. So read the question first. Question is very, very, very important. What is the question trying to say? The question is saying is a strong magnetic field is applied on a stationary electron. So one electron was sitting idle, chilling out in life, okay. And what you did, you applied a strong magnetic field, okay. Now what will happen? So that electron which was chilling, what will it do? Think it. So what that magnetic field will have an effect on a stationary electron. Will it make it move? Just keep it like that. Okay. So what should be the idea and why that should be the idea? So then the four options they have given: moves in the direction of field, moves in opposite to the field, remains stationary, starts spinning. Okay. Now understand, students. Okay. We told force is equal to one formula when we did first, F is equal to Q into V cross B. Even if you put a magnetic field, if a particle has zero velocity, if a particle is stationary, if a particle is just chilling around in life, there will be no force acting. F net equal to F is equal to 0. There won't be any force. Though particles has charge, magnetic field is there. If this V is 0, if that V is 0, the particle will remain chill in his life. So what should be the answer? Remains stationary. Remains stationary. Clear, everyone? Chalo. Everybody got it? Chalo. Good. Next. Try everybody. 2 minutes you have the timeline. Try everybody fast. Let's see. Hi, Samiksha ma'am. I didn't, what do you say, call it because I thought you will be like busy preparing for the maths exam. How's the preparation going? Chalo. No issues. That's why we put up in the YouTube. So it will be like without editing, it will be uploaded very fast. So every student will be able to see. Students, very simple, very easy questions are there in moving charges and magnetism, and it's a high weighted chapter. So take your time, don't be in a hurry, but give proper thinking. See, correct or wrong answer, I don't care, but you should think on that question. Okay, so that when you are giving an answer, like, okay, he understood and he gave the answer. So if it is something concept wise wrong, I can help you out. Sure. Sure. Let's see. Lot of people putting a B as an answer. Okay, let's give it time. 20 more seconds. So we got some different answers also. A, C. So B, sir, why, ma'am? Because ma'am said an answer directly proportional to the distance inside the conductor, inversely proportional to outside. Okay, one reason, good. What about other same reason? If same reason, the answer should be same. Why different? Let's see what is your all others answers also. Do say it. Doesn't matter if the concept is wrong, we'll clarify. If it is correct, it's well and good. No issues in that. Let's see. Okay. Ma'am said first B, then changed to C. Gokul said also B. Okay. Chalo, let's decode this question. Very simple, very easy. Okay. Not much difficulties here. But let's see the ways how to solve it. Now let's first read the question. Everybody, let's read it along with me. Okay. So what they're telling here in this question is a long cylindrical wire of radius r. So one big long wire is there. Okay. And carries a uniform current. So current is uniform. That in that current is flowing. Okay. The variation of the magnetic field with distance r from the axis of the wire. Variation of the magnetic field with distance r from the axis of the wire, what it will be. Very simple and very easy question. So we just have to figure inside what will be the variation. Will it remain constant, decreasing, increasing? One part. Outside how it behaves. That's it. So everybody understood this question at least correct. Yes or no? Everybody got this part at least correct? Okay. Sure. Now we know for a cylindrical wire, if you remember the formula, does it increases or decreases, student? Does it increases or decreases? For a cylindrical wire, okay, with radius r, okay, which carries a uniform current, and let's say we are talking about some distance r here, okay, 2 points. So inside, will the current increase or decrease? Yeah, I too saw B as C, but okay, okay. Option C. Okay, a lot of people are confused with options A, B, this is C, and this is D. So everybody, what happens from inside? See, we all know when the moment we go out from the boundary, it decreases. We all know this part will same, this part will remain same, this part will remain same. Everybody knows. Now, what about the inside part? Inside part. First of all, we know what we know, that it doesn't decreases or increases linearly, and neither it is constant. Neither it is constant. Neither it is constant. So what will be? What will be? Will it be? Will it be D or will it be C? Talk about linear. Welcome, welcome. Inside increases we got. Let's just recap a bit. Let's say, okay, we got, sir, inside increases. Okay, inside increases I got. Inside increases. Now let's talk about what rate. Is it a linear rate or a non-linear rate? Linear rate means it will be a straight line. Non-linear means it won't be a straight line. Now tell me. Yes, Om, I'll come to that. We'll do everything. Don't worry. Will it be a linear or a non-linear, students? Think on it. Do not be in a hurry, because a lot of students did small mistakes in this. Think on it. Will it be linear or a non-linear? What is the formula? What formula comes to your brain? Tell me fast. If you see moving charges and magnetism, if I have opened up here, moving charges and magnetism, it's not that part. 1 second. No, 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I'll show you the concept part. 1 second. Yeah, answers ma'am is Piratti. Moving part, where it is. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm just searching the PDF of moving charges and magnetism part. So the formula, can anybody tell me the formula so that I can show you all also? Yes, I got it. Sure. Let's see how many people remembered the formula and how many did not. So let me show you the screen now. Let's see. That's why I'm just showing it so that you all will understand. Will it be this? Will it be this? Okay. See here. Here the diagram. Okay, this part. What is the formula here? Case inside. Okay. So it shouldn't be, it is like this, not like straight. It shouldn't be straight. See the formula part. If I see inside or outside, what is the relation? Outside, what is the relation? When R is more than A, this is my A part, student. So when R is more than A, it is what? Directly proportional, correct? So when R is, what do you say, inside part, it is directly proportional. So it will be a straight part. And then after that, it will be what? Inversely proportional. So what will be? Rectangular hyperbola. So the answer, which one will be? Which one will be the answer here? C or D? The answer will be this only. Clear? Yes, no, everybody. It is a linear. Inside it is directly proportional to R, inside part, and outside it is inversely proportional to R. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Yeah, I got a bit confused. Let me see. Chalo, everybody got it now? Inside it will be directly proportional, outside it will be inversely proportional. Clear? So the answer will be C. Chalo. Let's see the next one. A cyclotron question. Let's see fast. Try everybody, you just have 2 minutes time. Clear everybody? Do not get the confusion, okay? Inside it is directly proportional, so it will be a straight line, and outside it is inversely proportional. Nothing more than that, okay? Chalo. Now what they've given, a cyclotron is used to accelerate protons, deuterons and alpha particle while exciting under similar conditions the minimum kinetic energy. So here we just need to know what is the kinetic energy relation with what and what does it depends on. So if you see, kinetic energy depends on what thing? Kinetic energy depends on what thing, students? Tell me, let's see. Kinetic energy, if you remember, what is the formula, students? Kinetic energy was half mv square, correct? So kinetic energy is half mv square, half into m into, what was the v value? V, if you remember, v was this. If I square it up, what will get? Q square, b square, r square by m square. So what I'll get? B is same because you have given the same magnetic field. Okay. So B, I just remove it. Depending on the charge, R is same. And it is depending on what? So kinetic energy is depending on two things. Charge square by mass. Charge square by mass, correct. Now check which one has the charge and mass. What? Now for the first one, if you see a proton has what? Charge 1, mass 1. For a deuteron, what is the charge? Charge 1, mass 2. For alpha particle, charge 2, mass is what? 4 times. Correct. So if you see Q square by M ratio, which one will be bigger, students? Q square by M, which one will be bigger? For the first case, it will be 1 by 1, so 1 only. For the second case, 1 by 2. For the third case, 2 square 4 by 4, so it will be 1 only. So same for all, alpha particle, deuteron, which one? What should be the answer? Fast. So what is it asking? Whose is minimum? Come on, you can see the middle one, deuteron. Correct. So D is the option. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Yes, no, fast. Clear? See, just we needed to remember kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. We already know this formula. And velocity v, we already found it out. Okay, just we substituted here. Then magnetic field is constant, we removed. Radius, we are not changing of the cyclotron, so we removed. So what we saw, that is directly proportional to q square by m. And then we find out the ratio of q square by m for all the three particles. Which one was less? Kinetic energy will be less. Clear everyone? Anybody, any doubt? Clear everyone? Anyone, any doubt? Sure. Can we go to the next? Sure. Clear, sure. Let's see the next question. The magnetic field at the origin due to a current element IDL placed at a point with the position vector are directly formula. Directly formula. I think so. All okay? Okay. Chalo, this is directly formula, kids. Okay. Do tell me the answer. This is directly formula. I think so. Just vector form, nothing more than that. Come on, tell me fast the answer. Just don't tell me I have to tell you. Directly formula. Nothing is there in this question. Direct formula. Come on, who will tell me? Tell me how many people B, how Ritik C, Biot-Savart's law, how C, vector form, bro, vector form, bro. One R cube. See, if you remember properly, see what would think in vector form R cube will be there downward, correct? Then what else? DL vector cross R vector will be there, correct? And I will be outside, correct? This much is matching where? Check it. This much is matching where? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? What is the answer? Soumya. Hi Soumya ma'am. Correct. Got it everybody? Devika ma'am, how C? Now, will it be DL cross R or R cross DL? Tell me. Let's see. How many students are having confusion here? See, when you're learning a formula, go through very properly. Is it DL cross R or R cross DL? Check it, check it, check it and tell me. Check it and tell me. See, small things plays a very vital role. Small things plays a very vital role. Paper is not that difficult, students. Paper is not that difficult. Paper is not that difficult. Only thing is small things we don't give importance, so it goes down. So now everybody got DL cross R, DL cross R. But chalo, clear. So if next time when it comes, it will be should be easy. It should what mu naught by 4 pi. We all know that current is there, capital or small, whatever you write. DL vector cross R vector by R cube. Chalo. Next, a very good question. Let's see how many people can solve. A very good question. Let's see how many people can solve. I'll give you 3 minutes for this. Do not be in a hurry. I need correct answer. Try it. Right or wrong doesn't matter. If you're doing wrong also don't matter. But the concept should be there. So this is the reason I got wrong. I tried by this way. That's why I got wrong. So that should no issues on that. Okay. Chalo. Try everybody. Try everyone. Try everyone. B we got. Okay. What about others? So let me tell you, though a lot of people they have given correct answer, answer is D correct. Okay. See, we all remember students for a whole circle, if I am finding out, okay, for a whole circle, if I am finding out what is the value, mu naught I by 2r, mu naught I by 2r, correct. Now this is not for whole circle, we're talking about 3/4 of the circle, 3/4 of the circle into 3 by 4, into 3 by 4. So what you'll get? 3 mu naught I by 8r, 3 mu naught I by 8r. Check where we have 3 mu naught I by 8r. How many? We have either on this or this. So two options, these two got rejected. Now, then there is line part. So what are you going to do? I've given a small hint. Next, I have given you two part. Okay. So I told I have given in my concept video one part, like what do you say, for a wire is starting at this point, this form I have given. What is that formula? Mu naught I by 4 pi r. Correct. If you remember, I gave it in moving charges and magnetism. Correct. What is the formula I gave? So will I add it and subtract it? Will I add or subtract? Will I add or subtract? Now the question is, will it be added or subtracted? Devika ma'am is telling, sir, B it won't be, no ma'am. B it won't be. Just now I cancel, no, because see, understand everybody. Understand with a calm mind. For the whole circle, we are getting the formula mu naught I by 2r. Now for the 3/4, because this part is not there. So if I just want to find for the 3/4, this whole part, okay, for the 3/4 of that, what will be the formula? What will be the formula for the 3/4? So what I'll do, for the total, multiply with 3/4. So if I'll get 3 mu naught I by 8r. So which two options support A and D? Now there is a wire also. So will that wire part be added or subtracted? Why, Purvika ma'am? Why? Tell me by using right hand thumb rule that the direction of magnetic field for the first one. See, keep your hand on the current and rotate it along the direction of current. You will see your magnetic field is going inside the paper. Correct. So what about the wire? What about the wire? Is it going inside the paper or outside the paper? So will it be added or subtracted? It should be added. If you see it, what will happen? It will be added, yes or no? So what will be the answer, students? Now if it is added, what should be the answer? D. Correct everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. Let's move on to the next question. If you have doubt, do ask me, okay? If you got the concept why it is added, then it's okay. Chalo. Let's see the next one. Come on, fast, everybody. See the next one. Got the previous? No, no need to go in a hurry. We'll do less questions only, but we'll understand and do. Just running won't help. Otherwise, one wrong concept if you learned, gone case. Clear, huh? Chalo. Tell me what should be the answer for this. Come on, public. Very simple, very easy question. Two long, straight, parallel wires are there, two distance apart. They carry steady equal current flowing out of the plane of the paper. The variation of magnetic field along the line XX, okay, is given by. So how will we do this question? How will we do this question? So what they're telling? What they're telling? Two wire is there. Draw two wires. Correct. They're separated by a two d distance apart. Okay. They carry steady equal current. Okay. Flowing out of the plane of the paper. Flowing out of the plane of the paper. Now the variation of the magnetic field along axis line. How will we put it up? You are guessing. Ma'am is guessing C. Let's see. So just now we did this question. If two current on the same direction, if two wire carrying current on the same direction, they attract each other. They attract each other. Correct. Yes or no till here? Everybody got it. They attract each other. Now, we also know what is the formula. We also know what is the formula. Magnetic field mu naught I by 2 pi r. Correct. So let's say if a particle is here, this one is attracting this side, this one is attracting this side. A place will come no in between where it will be 0. A place will come in between where it will be 0. Yes or no? Correct. Yes or no, students? Correct. Ma'am is saying A. Okay, okay, welcome, welcome. So which of the graph will represent this exactly? Which of the graph will represent this exactly? Tell me. So let's analyze all the graph. Let's analyze all the graph. What is it telling? What are the options anybody got? Devika ma'am C, Purvika A, Pavitra A. Now one more thing here in order to crack this question, understand, okay. They both carry equal currents flowing out of the plane of the paper. Here in this case, what they've shown, the variation, what they have plotted, magnetic field along with the line, okay. So if they both attract each other, students, understand very carefully, very simple concept. If they both attract each other, if I am taking the magnetic field in this direction to be positive, the other direction will be negative, yes or no? The other direction will has to be negative, yes or no? Clear? Clear? So it cannot be this graph all negative, correct? It has to be one positive part, one negative part. Clear? Because if one is positive, the other time other has to be negative, correct? So it cannot be this part also. See, in this region, this is also positive, this is also positive. Can it be possible? No. In this region, if you see these two graphs, this is positive here, this is negative here. It can be possible. Okay, this is positive here, this is negative. It can be possible. This also possible. Now tell me. So now we have a tiebreaker with B and we have a tiebreaker with C. Now how will we find it out? How will we find it out? Now understand very carefully, students. See here, if I have taken this as positive, this is going negative, correct? This is positive part in this half, and if you go away, it is negative. But if you see here, student, if this is positive, the other half again positive, how can that be possible? If inside also it is increasing part and this side also increasing, can it be possible? So this won't be. So what is the answer? What will be the answer? This one, this one. Did everybody understood the concept, or do you want me to explain again? You do not be in a hurry. Did you all understand? If okay, then I'll go to the next. If not, I'll again explain. Do tell me fast. What were the points we considered? First, they both have to be if one has to be, one is positive, the other has to be negative. So that's why this got cancelled, because this was also positive, this was also positive. Can't possible, because they both are attracting each other. No, this is attracting this side, this is attracting this side. So if one is taken as a direction that's positive, the other has to be negative, correct? So that's why these two graphs got cancelled. Now here, this side of the region also positive, this side of the region of the positive. Can it be possible? Not possible. Done. So one side has to be positive, one side, if I see, it has to be negative, correct? If I just draw for a wire like this, if it is one side is going like this, the other side is coming out like this, no? Clear? Chalo. Try everybody this one. Try everybody this one. See if you have, if anybody has any doubt, do tell me, okay? Chalo. I'll be back in a minute, okay? I'll be back in a minute. I'll just drink water now, okay? So a lot of people wrote D is the winner. Okay, Ritik, D is the winner. Okay, let's see. The question is telling that the ratio of magnetic field at the center of a current carrying circular coil to the magnetic moment is X. That ratio is given. If the current and radius both are double, the new ratio will be what? Okay, very simple question. So what is the formula, students? Come on, tell me. What's the formula? What we have applied and how did we get the answer? Come on, fast. The question is pretty much simple, but still, let's see. Come on, students. What is the formula you have used? Let's see. Because you have used some formula. No, tell me that formula fast. Let's see how many people remember. Just wrote the answer. No issues. No? Okay, okay. Nobody has written. Let me only write. So see here, everybody. So magnetic field at the center of a current carrying loop is what? Just now we wrote no. B is equal to what? B is equal to mu naught I by 2 mu naught I by 2R. Okay. And what about the other? The magnetic moment at the center of a current carrying loop is given by what? Magnetic moment is equal to I into A. A is equal to what? Pi A square, yeah, pi R square. So if this ratio B by M, if this ratio B by M is given, so that is equal to what? Mu naught by 2 pi A cube. That is equal to X. That is equal to X. Now they're telling that current and the radius both doubled. Current and the radius both doubled. So if I double the radius current node, what do you say? It doesn't depend on current. Radius, if I double, what will happen? 2 cube. So it will be what? Mu naught by 2 pi into 8 a cube. So it will be x by 8 times. Will it be x by 8 times? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me fast. Yes or no, students? Right, wrong, fast tell me. Come on, kids. Tell me. Come on, people. How did you get D as an answer? Ritik. Everybody. Simple question. No. See, first formula. See, you just need to remember the formula. Mu naught I by 2R. Second formula, M is equal to what? I into A. So in place of area, what do you can write? Pi R square. So then X is equal to B by M. Find it out. There is no value of current only involved. Only depends on R cube. Only depends on here R cube. So if I put R equal to double, if I double it, it becomes 8 times down. Clear everyone? Soumya ma'am, clear? Clear everybody? Simple questions. No, no difficulty here. Chalo. Got it everybody? Can I go for the next question? See, after doing once with me, do revise everyone. Do revise everyone. Even if you're doing wrong here, after that revision, it should not be. These are all silly questions. Just your formula should be very strong. Okay. Can I go to the next question? Let's see. Try this tic-tac-toe figure. Okay. Try everybody. Let's see. So today next we'll do students what do you say the class 11th topics for CT and Comedk. Okay. After this class there'll be like class from what do you say 8:30. So we'll be doing CT and Comedk for the class 11 topics PNC, BT, what do you say straight lines, quadratic and this one complex. Okay. Linear inequalities. So these chapters will do. Clear? Sure. Let's see if a lot of people have written B as the answer. Let's see. What about others? The magnetic field at the center of the figure is given by the magnetic field at the center. Hi Nandini ma'am. At the center of the figure. Very simple figure. But the total you first find out, and then you can do 3, 4. That is one way. So what should be the answer, other students? Tell me what is the for the total what it will be. If it was total full circle, then what would be the answer? Tell me fast. What is the formula? B is equal to mu naught Ni by 2R. B is equal to what? Mu naught Ni by 2R. B is equal to magnetic field formula is what? Mu naught Ni by 2R. Correct. Now we are doing for how much? We are doing for how much? This whole part. This whole part corresponds to how much, students? 300 degree. 300 degree. So 300 of 360 is what? 5 by 6 of that whole thing. So just multiply with 5 by 6. So what you'll get? 5. Mu naught N is equal to only one turn. So 1. Mu naught I by 12R. Clear? 5 mu naught I by 12R. Was it very difficult? How you got B, Niranjan? Ritik, how you got B, kids? Tell me. It is, see, if the whole cake, if I have a cake, student, if I have a cake and I divide it into 6 parts, students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I remove this one part, it is what? 5 by 6 part of that total cake, no? And for the total cake, this is what? Mu naught I by, mu naught Ni by, or mu naught I by 2 are correct. Then how come you are all writing wrong answers? Come on, tell me the answer. Tell me the logic where my students are going wrong. I'm not able to understand. Do tell me, sir, we thought this one as this one. Tell me, no issues. Correct. See, wherever understand, okay, getting a right or wrong answer is not important. How we're reaching to that answer is important. Okay. Sir, I tried this, that was the wrong concept I was using. So that concept you'll understand and you'll never use it again. Clear? Clear, everyone? Chalo, anybody has any doubt? Anybody has any doubt? Okay. Anybody has any doubt? Do tell me. Nobody has doubt. If, and one more thing to all of you, will be clear what to say. We'll be doing a revision session for CT and Comedk students on 11th. No, no. The magnetic field at the center. Oh, that is the script. It is the dotted line, bro. It is the dotted line. So for that whole part, we need not this arc. This arc constitutes this arc, student. Then this arc constitutes how much? 300 degree. No, this part of the arc constitutes 60 degree. Clear? Yeah, yeah. 160. You understand which part they're asking. See, if they've asked me this part whole, so this part I need to. If they would ask me for this part, if they would have asked me for this part, then it was have been different. They would have colored this part. No, clear? Chalo, from 11th, we are having a revision series for all the students. It will be per day 12 hours of class in the YouTube only, and in a fast manner, we'll be just revising each and everything. Okay. Is the voice not coming clear, students? Is the voice not coming clear? Check it. Check it, everyone. Is it clear? Yes, no. Do tell me if it is not clear. Okay, let's see. A bit void's got what do you say? Bit having a bit in fair. What do you say? What do you call pain in the throat, bro? Okay, nothing more than that. That's why a bit. It is not what do you say as usual. Okay, I'll try my best. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Everybody, try the next. A very simple, very easy question. A very simple, very easy question. I want everyone to get the answer. Chalo fast, fast, bacho. Yeah, it's clear now. Clear, clear. Good, good. Thanks, Niranjan. So after this class, we'll be taking a break and then we'll be coming strongly for the 11 topics of maths. Okay, like linear inequalities, complex quadratic, all those topics for CT and Comedk will finish today. Chalo, let's see. Let's see what are the answers. A lot of people wrote C, C, C. What about others? Is it C or is it different? Now, for those who are telling it C, by what logic you are telling C? Tell me. Put the logic in the chat section. Put the logic in the chat section. Let's see. Then we'll create magic. Everybody logic creates magic. Everybody logic creates magic. Okay. Very simple, very easy. Let's see. See, in a cyclotron, a charged particle is always in the magnetic field. The moment is always in the magnetic field. Always a force is there. F is equal to what? Q into V cross B. So the moment charged particle, movement, velocity is there, charge is there, magnetic field is there, always a force will be acting. So always acceleration, force is there, acceleration is there, force is there, acceleration is there. Clear? Clear everyone, clear everyone. Yes or no, kids? Got the reason, got the reason, got the logic. Niranjan wrote, got the reason, got the logic. Nobody wrote the logic, but logic makes magic. Okay, everybody. Know the logic to create the magic. Let's see next. Oh, our favorite buddy, the toroid buddy. Let's see who will solve it. Toroid buddy. Try everybody. half b square upon epsilon not formula, no sir. Okay, see एनर्जी डेंसिटी बच्चों हम सबको पता है एनर्जी डेंसिटी की फॉर्मूला क्या है, हाफ बी स्क्वायर बाई म्यू नॉट, ये है ना, हाफ बी स्क्वायर बाई म्यू नॉट। और बी की वैल्यू क्या है, म्यू नॉट एन आई, बी की वैल्यू क्या है, म्यू नॉट एन आई। डन। क्या अब हम सवाल कर सकते हैं, विल वी बी एबल टू डू इट, विल वी बी एबल टू डू इट, यस नो बच्चों। आफ्टर गिविंग यू ऑल द फॉर्मूला, सो पता क्या चल रहा हमें कि फॉर्मूला याद करना, वी हैव टू रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूला, वी हैव टू मेमोराइज द फॉर्मूला, एवरीवन करेक्ट। So formula I'll be uploading that today in the app SAM classes. I'll be uploading the formula for per chapter concept notes. You can just go through and do it. Okay. Yeah, no sorry, no need to be sorry, Niranjan. Okay. So everybody, I'll be uploading the concept. This all whatever I'm writing, I'll be uploading in the app. So you can go there and see. Okay, how we have done. The PDF will be there. You won't be able to download, but you'll be able to see it. Okay. Chalo. आंसर बताओ बच्चों, अब तो आंसर बता दो बच्चों। Come on fast. After this, we'll have one last question and we'll take a break from this part. Okay, we're almost done. Only thing is knowing the formula and putting and getting the answer. So everybody in moving charges and magnetism also, if we have thorough with the formula, you'll be able to solve out of 5 minimum 4 questions easily, directly formula based. Okay, so a lot of people they wrote the answer D. Will it be D 6.28 or 0.628? Check it. I think so it will be C. I think so it will be C. Do check it, students. Do check it. It will be 0.628. It will be 0.628. Answer will be C. Answer will be C. If you want, I can show it. If you want, I can show it. See here. Half into 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into, find it out. Correct. So what you will get? And B is equal to mu naught Ni. Clear? So B square we got it. So this is basically half into mu naught value into B square. Correct? If you solve it, 2 pi into 10 power minus 1 I think so we will get. So that will be equal to 6.1028 into 10 power minus 1. So 0.628. Clear everyone? 0.628. Clear everyone? Chalo. Clear? So we will keep this or we'll do one more question. We'll keep this moving charges till here. Once you understand how to go through the formula, you'll be able to solve the rest of the questions. Or you want to do one more question? Tell me fast. Will we keep it till here or you want to do one more question? Come on, students. Chalo, I didn't get any response. Quick revision. We've already done the revision video, or Ritik. We have done the revision in the morning. Moving charges and magnetism. Very simple, very easy. You can just watch. I'll put up the link in that. Okay. Nothing is there. One question I wanted to take. Try 25th. One question. More questions you want, Soumya ma'am. Okay. Okay. So do more faster. One question more will be doing it. Okay. Then I want you all to practice once. I put up chapter wise question papers in the app also. Download it, practice it. Whatever the doubt, put it in the app part, message it. We'll take care. What do you say? We'll take a class in the YouTube where we'll be solving all the doubts. Don't worry. Try everybody this question. Try everybody this question. Very simple, very easy. Electron buddies is there. An electron is moving in a circle of radius r in a uniform magnetic field B. Suddenly the field is reduced to B by 2. The radius will be what? If you remember the R formula, R is equal to mv by qb. R is equal to mv by qb. R is equal to mv by qb. How did you get this formula? mv square by r is equal to what? qvb. Clear? So vv gone. R is equal to mv by qb. Now suddenly what will happen? Your B got reduced to B by 2. So then what will happen? Then what will happen? So it will be 2 will go up. So 2 mv by qb. So it will be 2 times of this whole thing. Clear? Done. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo, chalo. Good. So next class starts at 8:15. Be there, okay? Everybody, okay? We'll be doing concept plus PYQ of maths 11 chapters. Class 11th chapters. We'll finish it off, okay? Chalo. Everybody. Till then, be good. Keep revising the formulas. See you in the next class, okay? And you can download the app if you want to get the notification for the class. Do download it, okay? Chapter wise question papers is also there, and test series is also coming up in the app section, okay? Chalo.